Hello my friends, in this video I will discuss about the multiple choice questions and answers on computing. MCQ number 1. A bit represents a decimal digit, octal digit, hexadecimal digit or binary digit. The correct answer is D, binary digit. MCQ number 2. A computer cannot do anything without a chip, memory, output device or program. The correct answer is D, program. Question number 3. A computer possesses information A. as directed by the operator, B. automatically, C. at once, D. gradually and eventually. The correct answer is A. Number 4. Processors of all computers, whether micro, mini or mainframe, must have A. ALU, ALU means arithmetic logic unit, B. primary storage, C. control unit, D. all of the above. The correct answer is D. all of the above. Number 5. What is the full form of FIFO? The answer is first in, first out. Number 6. What is the full form of LIFO? The correct answer is last in, first out. Now the question number 7. What are the full forms of LAN, MAN and WAN? The answer is LAN stands for local area network, whereas MAN stands for metropolitan area network, and WAN, WAN stands for wide area network. Question number 8. What are the full forms of RAM and ROM? The answer is RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Question number 9. A collection of 4 bits is called as A. nibble, B. byte, C. word, D. double word. The correct answer is A. nibble. Number 10. A collection of 8-bit is called as A. nibble, B. byte, C. word, D. double word. The correct answer is B. byte.